Alright, so I'm about to have my boy come over. It has an Acura Integra, and I'm not mistaken, he has a GSR in it. It's an original GSR, and it's on boost. Pretty cool car. But we're not going to be doing too much, but I actually have been talking to him because you guys know I'm buying this Integra, and I pretty much got it, and I want to turbocharge it. Now, this was a turbo kit that I was going to purchase, and I seen from Motor Nubs. So, watch.
Hey everybody, this is Brandon with Motor Nubs. This is a little bit of update on the Integra. This is an eBay turbo kit.
Okay, so now that you see that, I don't know, it's really eBay, and I'm cool with it. Like, I don't really care, because this is just supposed to be a fun project build. Sorry, I'm playing with my dog. And I'm cool with it. It doesn't really bother me too much, you know what I mean? I'm perfectly fine with it, and, I was going to do that, but Yoon's actually going to go, he's going K-Series. So I'm like, oh, shit, you're going K-Series. And I just took photos of his car. I'll drop the picture right now of his car. Okay, so that bad boy. So pretty much he hit me up and said, hey, I'm actually going to be selling my turbo kit if you just want to buy it off me. And I'm like, okay, well, I've seen this turbo kit in person. What do you want for it? And he's like, give me like, you know, $700-800 for it. I'm like, all right. I mean, it's only $200-300 more than the eBay turbo kit, and he has actual Turbonetics turbo, so like a way better brand turbo. It doesn't have shaft play. I think he has HKS blow-off valve, wastegate, just a ram horn manifold, and pretty much he said he'd give me everything. Oh, Mishimoto oil pan with the baffles in it, already tapped with the bong. So everything I pretty much need. And he was just like, look, $800, all you need is injectors, the ECU, and you're good to go. You know what I mean? Get a tune and bada boom, bada bing. And I need a 4-bar map sensor. But other than that, I need nothing else. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. He's actually going to be coming over, and I'm going to show you guys the turbo kit a little bit, let you meet him, talk to him. I'm also going to be giving him a decal of K-Power Performance, so I'm super excited, guys. I've actually talked to Jeremy, and if you didn't watch the Christmas video yesterday, now you will just get caught up and updated that he is moving out where he's moving out in a week, so he has to tow it to my house regardless. So I'm going to get it towed to the shop and, you know, up the street, and it's going to be pretty cool, so I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Watch this video. You're going to enjoy it. Thank you. Hey, what's going on, everybody? And I just want to show you guys my new setup. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have been shooting on a 50mm. Now, this is from Sony. This is an f1.8, really good at low light, and it has OSS in it, so it means that the image is stabilized. So even though the A6500 has that, it's good to have it. It helps it work a lot. It's a pretty quiet lens. I haven't heard anything. So I will be doing a review on that. And then here's my new Peak design. Shout outs to Manny Ortiz for really selling me on this one. Like, this thing is so comfortable, so nice. It looks good. And they give you a, you could have another clip. You could have it sideways, so I can walk around and relax in it, you know. And then if I want to take something, I just slide it, lift it up, pop, 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 pop. But it's got one for the bottom, too, so be able to get right in it. So I just thought that was really cool, guys, and just wanted to let you know. And I'm also shooting this video on an 18mm Moment lens that attaches to the Moment case that is for the iPhone. So let's go show you this turbo kit. And the car won't start now, so I'm gonna have to give him a ride to go get a distributor. Oh man, I mean, we could probably just tell, I'm gonna probably just tell the dude in there, like, yo, we about to be right back. You just want to push it? Alright. So I'm going to go take him to go get a distributor because it is not firing. So we are not getting spark if it's, we're thinking it's a distributor. Thank God he actually has one. So we're going to try to pop that on, rock that out, and I'm going to give him a ride, and we're going to come back, and then we'll check everything out. Yee! We'll check everything out. But this thing is super clean. This thing is super clean. I ain't gonna lie, this is like Integra Golds right here. You know how these Hondas are, it's like, it's always something. So, unfortunate that he was just gonna come over and show me the turbo kick, maybe hit a 2-step, and now I'm taking him all the way to Wilmington to get a distributor. But that's what it's for, man. It is what it is. And this is the turbo kick your boy P about to pick up for Project Integra. You know what I mean? Type bar seats. Thing's fucking clean bean. We're gonna hope this fires right the fuck up. If not, We gonna get a tow.
Shit out of luck.
It's not a bad little setup. Got the Turbonetics turbo down there. Woo! No shaft play. So that's super Gucci. Oh, that shit was hot too.
Lucky,
yeah. Is this OM?
I don't think so.
Bro, anything any OEM, I be scared of, bro. I learned my lesson with the B16 with that shit.
It worked though.
Hey, if it works, it works. I want to hear this thing spit song, man. This thing is fucking clean. I mean, clean with it. Downstar spacer. Very nice. I got the same Jones. Yeah, I got the deletes for the firewall. I got the, I did the whole prop valve relocation kit. I got the Downstar flex lines. I got it all now. Look, I even put the K-power there. You can't hide from that shit. Take this right here. Shout out to the bro, Chuchi Customs. You already know, nice ones. Got me 5-lug conversion. K-power wheels. 01 taillights. These fucking taillights. These are what I want to get for mine. Stupid clean. Dope ass fucking wing. Super clean. Alright, let's see what this bad boy sparks up.
See if it starts.
Yep. There we go. Damn! I'm just...
No. GSR. Thanks, man. C1.
I think fucking...
Now, viewers already.
Bro, I tried to get away from it, bro, and that shit just still popped my fucking ear off. Chilling out, man.
How you doing?
Yeah, I used to have a single cam, man. It was fucking 5 horsepower, man. And I had kids, but I didn't sell that shit. So. Damn, this thing's clean as shit, though,
Yeah,
man.
it's stupid clean, bro.
Wow.
Stupid clean. 5-lug conversion on it and everything, man.
Wow, this thing is clean as
Yeah,
fuck.
this thing's fucking...
This yours?
Nah,
That's
this is...
yours? Yeah.
I'm about to buy the turbo kit off it.
Yeah, what kind of turbo kit is it? Is this Turbonetics?
Yeah.
How much boost pushes? 11. You got 11 pound spring in there or is it industrial? Yeah. Stock internals, shit like that, or you got stock internals or?
Stock internal.
Yeah.
Stock internal except for the intake. 1000cc injector.
You got launch controller or is that MSD? Two-step? Yeah. Love it, man. I always had a problem with mine, man, because as soon as I fucking had a problem right now.
And the Dizzy just shitted on us. We just drove and got a whole new distributor.
Is that why you sitting here?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Where the hell did you find Dizzy at that quick?
I had another one.
Oh, man, fuck you on that, bro. What's that, Raptor Gold, bro? Nice, man. AM full wheel. Injector.
Yeah, it's full motor.
Yeah, I cheap one, man. That's got one. Fuck, man, I can't get over how clean this thing is. Well, who's paying it, bro?
A buddy of mine did.
Yeah? I mean, he did a good fucking job, man, because, I mean, I guess what you just gave him a shell? Just gave him a shell?
We actually did it at my house.
You did this paint job at your house? This is a nice paint job, bro, for painting at your house.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like it was painted in a booth, man.
I'm not playing 2019. I'm here. I'm reviewing big boy cars. I'm doing big boy shit. You see, I'm about to get a Turbonetics turbo kit for the Integra, so we're not going full eBay gutter. So it's good. That thing just hit a 2-step and popped my eardrum. Super awesome, and I guess we're gonna go hood exit. So let's have some fun. Yeah, I need that. I need
Thanks
that.
for Danny. That's too much shit, man. Now, is he still living in the castle? Yeah.
Yeah, man, the cars are getting better, more shit's going. Officially, we got a Turbonetics turbo kit for Project Integra. You see that thing fucking moves, makes great power, awesome. So I'm super excited. The car will be dropped off next week or sometime this week. So it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm really excited, and yeah, it's good. I'm about to buy a timing belt, throw it back in, see if it works. If it don't, the motor's shit. $200, we get another LS, a new timing belt, water pump, tensioner, and that's it. I probably won't even throw a head gasket on it. Try to keep it as cheap as I can. But yep, that is what it's hitting for. Hiya. Yeah, boy. That's that official shit right there, homie. Brother. Be safe, right, man. Hit that pull, boy. And we out, man. Motherfucking K-Power performance for life. If it ain't no K-Power, it's no power. It ain't K-Power, it's no power.